Flawless and fierce, the Tesla Model S Plaid rolls off the line, fully verified and ready to dominate the asphalt.
6,000 tons of pressure molding raw aluminum into the Plaid's rigid rear chassis. Transitioning to the cooling bay now. Precision laser welding fuses the structural frame with micron-level accuracy. The Plaid's skeleton takes its definitive shape, submerging the entire frame into the electrocoat bath for absolute rust protection. Moving directly into the curing oven, wrapping the copper rotor with ultra-high tensile carbon fiber. This unique sleeve prevents thermal expansion at 20,000 RPM. 3 carbon-sleeved motors lock into their drive units, ready to unleash over 1,000 horsepower. Moving to subassembly, arranging the high-density battery cells into the structural pack. Liquid cooling channels deploy instantly across the floor bed. The heart meets the spine. Alignment lasers guide the massive battery pack directly underneath the structural chassis. Automated multi-torque wrenches secure the pack into the frame. High-voltage orange leads engage, energizing the platform. Robotic atomizers apply a flawless primer coat, eliminating surface imperfections. Prepping the surface for ultra-red, layering the deep, multi-coat ultra-red pigment. Real-time heat activation cures the paint for that signature Plaid depth. Integrating the smart adaptive air suspension system. Heavy-duty subframes are automatically locked into the lower chassis. Mounting massive carbon ceramic brake rotors and high-performance calipers to handle the intense stopping power of the Plaid. The 21-inch arachnid wheels meet the hub. A 5-spindle gun secures all lug nuts simultaneously to exact specifications. Threading the complex neural network of the Plaid. Miles of high-speed data and power harnesses are routed flawlessly through the firewall. Installing the advanced heat pump and thermal radiators. This system keeps the battery and tri-motors cool under extreme track conditions. Applying high-strength urethane sealant before the robotic arm flawlessly positions the massive, UV-protective panoramic glass roof. The premium cockpit module slides in. The iconic Yoke steering wheel locks onto the digital steering column, securing the rear liftgate and electronics. The iconic Plaid badge is laser-centered and permanently bonded to the rear, snapping the front and rear bumper fascias into place. Integrated ultrasonic sensors instantly link to the main vehicle computer. Ergonomic Plaid sport seats are lowered onto their tracks. Electronic connectors snap into place, enabling full adjustability. First life. The central computer boots up as factory systems flash the latest Plaid firmware, activating all electronic systems. Dyno testing unleashes 1,020 horsepower indoors. Computers calibrate the tri-motor torque vectoring system instantly.
Flawless and fierce, the Tesla Model S Plaid rolls off the line, fully verified and ready to dominate the asphalt.